Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to report a video on YouTube. Unfortunately, there are a lot of channels out there that upload videos that violate YouTube's community guidelines. If you stumble across a video like this while browsing YouTube, don't just scroll away. Take action and file a report. By filing a report, you ensure that YouTube will review the video. If the review team finds that the video violates their community guidelines and policies, they will make sure it gets taken down. When you find a video on YouTube that you want to report, here's how to do it. Open the YouTube app on your mobile. Find and tap on the video you want to report. Tap the video and tap Settings symbols in the top right corner of the video player. Now, tap Report. Tap the reason that best describes why you're filing the report. And then, tap Report. If you want to make a more detailed report, use a computer or laptop. The mobile app only allows you to select a generic reason. It doesn't allow you to make any extra comments before submitting the report. And that's all. Now that you've reported the inappropriate YouTube video, YouTube's review team will get on the case. During the team's review process, they will check if the video does indeed violate their community guidelines and company policies. To do that, they analyze everything from the metadata to the video's intent. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.